everyone, this is Sandy, and today I would like to introduce you our kf94 positioning pattern mask making machine. The speed is 120 to 140 pieces per minute. The whole machine adopts 14 pieces servo motors and 9 pieces stepping motors. First of all, I would like to show you our finished mask sample. We can see this is a Christmas pattern on the center part. We can support other mask pattern here. You have to print the pattern on the mask, on the fabric, and later let's check the ear loop. And we weld the ear loop inside instead of outside to make sure it will be very nice from the front part. And inside is like this. So this off, and next I will show you the wiring effect. So you can see the wiring effect here. So that's all for the mask sample introduction. Next we will go to our mask machine introduction. So first of all, let's check our machine from the whole appearance. And we can see, I will start my introduction from the fitting area. We can see here is our material rack, and here is our fabric collector. We can see here have 4 layers, and if you want to 5 layers, we can add 1 more here. And this is our nose pin rack. And closely to take a look, our manual air shaft is meant to make sure the whole raw fabric always in the same position. It will not move when it's working. And here details, you can see each rail have a sensor. And here is our fabric corrector. It will automatically adjust the fabric to make sure you will not go left and go right. And if you don't want this device, we can delete. Next will be our nose pin part. We can see here is the nose pin fitting area. And you will be cutted in this part. And the fabric, we can see 2 layers go top and 2 layers go below. Here, let's take a look. The first roller is our mask smooth printing. We can see here have 4 lines on the fabric. And here, this part is meant to cut the excess edge of the fabric. And this is the gap roller. Comes to here, this is to adjust the lines we can see here. And you can, if the lines will not like this, you have to adjust. And here we can see this is the folding part of the fabric. You can fold the fabric almost in this size. Here is our screen, and this control panel is meant to control the manual air shaft. And here have some function buttons. This is to adjust the mask body parts. And here we can see here have 2 with connection device. Here have 4 rollers. The first roller is mainly these 2 yellow are the gap roller, and this is our mask the printing pattern roller. It's meant to print the outer patterns on the mask. And this is the mask cutter. You will cut the mask body in shape. We can see here have a special device than normal kf94 mask machine. Here is the sensor. It's meant to detect the black mark to make sure, and when it detects the black mark, it will give information to the PLC, and the PLC will give command to these two rollers to make sure the cutter can cut the mask correctly. And for this part is the transportation of the mask body. This is our ear-loop welding station. The whole ear-loop welding station adopts 9 pieces of stringent servo motors and 6 pieces stepping motors. Let's check one by one. And we can see these 2 stepping motors. It's meant to control, it's meant to put the ear loop. And these two stepping motors is meant to control the ear loop scissors. And we have one more. We have 2 more, which one is here. It's meant to put down the finishing mask, and one more is to drive the whole conveyor belt. We can track the screen. We can adjust some information here, and here have some buttons to control some functions. And we also have this ear-loop welding station uses 2 ultrasonic with 20K 2600 watts. And I forgot to tell, and this part we use ultrasonic with the 15K 3200 watts for the second mask mode, and this is 15K 3200 watts as well for the first mask mode. And in the back, we have a width connection device. It is meant to connect the width of the fabric. It can save the space and the manpower as well. Here have a button which we can turn it to connect with the machine. So with this device, it will very easy to connect the width. So next, I will show you our electric boxes. Here I open all the doors. Let's check one by one. Here is the ultrasonic, which is control the mask mode part. And here I have 5 servo motors and 3 stepping motors, which is mainly control this part. And the width connection needs 1 for each. And here this ultrasonic, which is mainly control this roller, this part. So let's go our ear-loop welding station. Here we can see 9 pieces servo motors and 7 pieces of stepping motors. So another side have 2 more ultrasonics, which is control the welding station here. So this is mainly to control of this part. So this is the introduction of the kf94 positioning mask machine. See you next time.